If you've ever tried making crispy food at home and ended up with something that's either too dry, unevenly cooked, or just not worth the effort, you're definitely not alone. A lot of air fryers promise that perfect golden crunch, but only a few actually make everyday cooking easier instead of adding another complicated step. That's where the Gourmia 7-quart air fryer comes in. This is designed for families, busy professionals, meal preppers, and anyone who wants faster cooking with less oil and less guesswork. It focuses on simplicity, visibility, and consistent results without overcomplicating the process. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the design feels practical and modern without trying too hard. The 7-quart size strikes a nice balance between compact and spacious, making it suitable for both small families and individuals who like meal prepping. The standout feature is definitely the panoramic viewing window, which immediately sets it apart from most standard air fryers. Instead of constantly opening the basket to check your food, you can actually see what's happening inside in real time. The build quality feels solid for its category. The basket slides in and out smoothly, the handle feels secure, and the overall structure doesn't feel flimsy or lightweight in a bad way. The interior light is another small but useful detail, especially when cooking in dim lighting or at night. Combined with the viewing window, it gives you a much better sense of control during cooking. In everyday use, the Gourmia performs reliably. The FryForce 360 degrees technology circulates hot air evenly, which helps food cook consistently on all sides. Fries come out crisp, chicken wings develop a solid golden texture, and vegetables roast without needing constant attention. It won't completely replace deep frying, but for a healthier home cooking option, it gets impressively close. One of the most user-friendly aspects is the set of 12 one-touch presets. Instead of guessing temperatures and times, you can select food types like fries, wings, seafood, or vegetables, and let the machine handle the rest. For beginners, this removes a lot of trial and error. For experienced users, manual control is still available when you want more precision. The guided cooking prompts are also surprisingly helpful. Notifications like Add Food or Turn Food make the process feel more structured, almost like having a reminder system built into your appliance. It sounds simple, but it reduces mistakes, especially for people who don't use air fryers every day. Cleaning is fairly straightforward. The basket and accessories are dishwasher safe, which saves time after cooking. The nonstick coating helps prevent stubborn buildup, although, like most air fryers, a quick rinse right after use still gives the best long-term results. There are a few downsides worth mentioning. While the presets are convenient, they aren't always perfectly calibrated for every type of food, so some adjustment may still be needed depending on portion size. Also, while the viewing window is useful, it can slightly reduce heat efficiency if checked too often during cooking. Compared to similar 7-quart air fryers from brands like Cosori, Ninja Entry models, and Instant Vortex, the Gourmia stands out mainly for its viewing window and guided cooking features. Many competitors offer strong performance, but few provide real-time visibility into the cooking process, which is actually more useful than it sounds in daily use. Overall, this air fryer is best suited for families, beginners, or anyone who wants a simple, reliable appliance without overthinking every meal. It delivers consistent results, keeps things easy to manage, and removes a lot of the uncertainty that comes with air frying. If you're looking for a budget-friendly air fryer that focuses on convenience, visibility, and dependable everyday performance, this is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest breakdowns, and check the link in the description before pricing or availability changes.